Hey guys, good day. We're all samposering. No, actually it's supposed to be two yeah, two of the four. We're in Durbaning.
What do we do in Durban, guys? It's basically my first time here.
We're gonna go to the beach for sure. We're gonna go to the beach for sure and Durban July in jail. Let's back on my heads. We are Durban July. Aren't you going to the Durban July?
Which I think it's true. See Home Affairs Monday.
Yeah,
Posh.
Oh yes, a nice joint.
So looking for the light.
Some snaps, guys. Some conversations we are within. Balinde aibo, kiss each other. Man, sexy girls. You man, that's a gwele. Abantu yabona aba scammers. Laba fake accounts. It's giving. Yeah. It's giving fake accounts. About to jaibo it. Yeah. Anyways, guys, since it's telling us snaps and post daily, but we're just showing y'all the tea. We are in Dubai.
Touchdown.
Now visiting Lendo. How are you gonna get back to restaurants from
Bugelagi. That's the only way you're gonna find out.
Okay, cool. Check you guys out later.
Bye.
Bye. Join. Started to shoot and movie. Slinde wena la restaurant.
Slinde wena.
Here photography. Slinde wena, ves. We can't send you our location here, but that's Sunday. Word of the day. I Devon July. Like, you know, word of the day today is at Devon July.
Word of the day. Ubunanji.
Have fun and don't feel guilty for having fun. Guilt? No guilt.
Sobonana Monday.
Sobonana Monday, no guilty fun. You're irresponsible because I'm having too much fun. We're live. Same bit. We're live. Yeah, so that's the word of the day, guys. Gonna love and leave you.